Hello guys, welcome to my channel PickGadget. Today I will unboxing and talk through the new Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. The Liberty Air 2 Pro are Soundcore latest generation of true wireless earbuds, featuring active noise cancellation and up to 26 hours of playtime. The Liberty Air 2 Pro position themselves as a more price-friendly alternative to the likes of the AirPods Pro, but at half the price, costing $130. Overall, the packaging on this set of earbuds is well done. The visuals and information on the box is thorough and illustrated well. With these earbuds you get a charging case with a pretty cool sliding lid closure, a USB-C charging cable, various ear tips, and the pair of Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. You will want to download and install the Soundcore app in your app store to maximize various settings like active noise cancelling, Hear ID customization, and various other earbud settings like touch control. The Air 2 Pro buds do a fabulous job with noise cancelling on calls, and voices come across very cleanly. That's what 6 mics will do for you. Very clean is also a good way to describe the sound, overall. I was quite impressed with how clear these little guys are and what a good job they do of reproducing voice and music. There is no real distortion, and the sound is natural instead of artificial. Anker has done a beautiful job with the drivers in these earbuds, and they are a pleasure to listen to. My only gripe is the form factor. They are similar in style to another brand that has Air and Pod in the name. They are more comfortable than the competitor and come with a myriad of ear mold sizes, 9 pairs total. Despite that, I could not quite get them to feel fully secure in my ears when I was moving rapidly. Then again, my ears are weird, and this form factor clearly works for a lot of people. Speaking of fitment, the app includes a test to see how securely each bud fits in your ear. It only takes about a minute per ear to check. My right ear was perfect from the start, but I never could get the fit to seal quite right in my left ear. Again, my ears are a little weird, but it was still really cool that Anker included this test feature. Battery life is also impressive. These little guys last a long time. And I like that they magnetically lock into place in the charging box. Anker has a reputation for quality sound devices at reasonable prices. The Liberty Air 2 Pro buds will in no way damage that reputation. These are high-quality buds for a lower price than you would expect. Well done, Anker.